Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that add ambience and professionalism to your life. Imagine a camera that doesn't just record your game, it analyzes it, providing real-time insights into your speed, movement, and technique. Welcome to the next era of sports technology, AI-powered sports action cameras. These intelligent devices are revolutionizing athletic performance tracking, giving athletes, coaches, and enthusiasts unprecedented access to data-driven insights that were once only available in professional sports labs. AI-powered sports action cameras are changing the game. Mounted on a cyclist's helmet, tracking a runner's stride and analyzing a swimmer's strokes, these cameras offer unparalleled precision and insights. Traditional sports cameras simply record footage, but AI-powered cameras do so much more. They interpret your movements, analyze your technique, and even offer instant feedback to help you improve. Here's what makes these cameras a game changer for athletes of all levels. Real-time performance tracking. Instantly measure speed, acceleration, and movement efficiency. Machine learning optimization. The AI continuously improves, learning your unique performance style. Advanced motion analysis. Break down complex movements with precision. Seamless data integration, sync with smartwatches, fitness trackers, and coaching software. Whether you're a runner, swimmer, cyclist, or team sports athlete, AI-powered sports cameras can provide essential performance data, including precise movement tracking, analyze every step, stride, or stroke, velocity and acceleration measurements, understand how fast and efficiently you move, muscle activation analysis, learn which muscles are working hardest, technique recommendations. AI-driven feedback helps you refine your form. What makes these cameras truly remarkable is their machine learning capabilities. Every time you record, the AI learns more about your technique, adjusting its analysis to provide more personalized feedback. This technology is already transforming training for multiple sports, including swimming. AI detects stroke efficiency and breathing patterns. Running analyze foot strike, stride length, and pace consistency. Cycling monitor cadence, power output, and aerodynamics. Team sports track agility, positioning, and player movement. Let's break down what makes these AI-powered cameras so powerful. Resolution 4K Ultra HD for crystal clear footage. Frame rate up to 240 FPS, perfect for slow motion analysis. AI processing neural network-based analysis for real-time performance tracking. Data visualization, instantly review stats through companion smartphone apps. Imagine being able to compare your past and present performances to see exactly how you're improving. One of the biggest advantages of AI-powered sports cameras is how effortlessly they sync with your existing fitness tech. In smartwatches and wearables, track biometrics alongside video analysis. Cloud-based coaching apps share performance data with coaches in real time. AI training assistants get tailored workout recommendations. Whether you're training in extreme conditions, underwater, or on rugged trails, these cameras are built to last. Waterproof and shock-resistant, ideal for swimming, cycling, and high-impact sports. Temperature-adaptive functions in extreme heat and cold. Wireless connectivity, instantly transfer data to your phone or tablet. And don't worry, your data is safe and secure. These cameras use encrypted storage and privacy settings, so you're always in control of who sees your performance analytics. With just a few taps on your smartphone app, you can select privacy settings to ensure your data is stored securely. If you're looking to upgrade your sports tech, here are some top-rated AI-powered sports action cameras to consider. Garmin Action Cameras, best for multi-sport tracking and GPS integration. GoPro Professional Cameras, great for high-impact sports and adventure athletes. Insta360 Advanced Cameras, perfect for 360-degree motion capture and immersive training analysis. The future of sports training is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. No more guesswork, no more relying on manual data entry, just pure AI-driven performance analysis at your fingertips. Whether you're a competitive athlete, weekend warrior, or fitness enthusiast, investing in an AI-powered sports action camera can revolutionize your training and help you reach your full potential. Ready to take your sports training to the next level? Check out the latest AI-powered sports cameras and start optimizing your performance today. Thanks for watching the video from AI Tech Beat, and please check the description for an article with comprehensive details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge sports tech insights. Stay tuned for our next AI video.